Y'all, welcome back, Texas Patriot. We're going to do an unboxing of this Hercules Harbor Freight Special. Bad boy. Milwaukee comparison, they claim. Better put this bad boy up before we cut our fingers off. All right. Some destruction manuals. A lot of packing in here. So we got a belt clip. We got a 20-volt, 5 amp hour battery with indicator. Rubberized bottom. Got a pretty decent charger. Multiple ways to mount it. Got your LED indicators for your different charging conditions. All right. And this is, like I said, this bad boy here was supposed to compete with the Milwaukee half-inch drive impact. Their best. So this is it. Pretty nice, folks. Pretty nice. Power indicator down here. 4 modes. Again, 20 volts. Tell me what y'all think. Is this a competition for Milwaukee or DeWalt? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching Texas Patriot Off-Road and Outdoors.